In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the voice search icon on Google Chrome step by step. If you've opened Chrome and noticed that the microphone icon is missing from the Google search bar, don't worry. This is usually caused by microphone permissions, site settings, or your default search engine settings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn it back on and start using voice search again. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, we need to make sure Windows is allowing microphone access. Open your Windows Start menu and click the Settings gear icon. Once Settings opens, select Privacy from the left-hand menu, then scroll down to App Permissions and click on Microphone. On the microphone settings page, look for the Change button and click it. Make sure the microphone for this device is turned on. If microphone access is disabled at the Windows level, Chrome won't be able to use voice search no matter what you change inside the browser, so this step is very important. After that, we need to give Google Chrome permission to use the microphone on the search page itself. Open Google Chrome and go to google.com. When the page loads, look at the far left side of the address bar and click the site settings icon. Depending on your browser version, it may look like a padlock or two sliders. In the drop-down menu, locate microphone and switch the toggle to Allow. This tells Google that the current website is allowed to access your mic. Once you've done that, refresh the web page. In most cases, the microphone icon should now appear inside the search bar. If you still don't see it, the next step is to check your default search engine settings. The voice search microphone icon is a native feature of Google search, so if Chrome has been changed to another search provider, the icon may disappear. To fix that, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome and select Settings. From there, click Search Engine in the left sidebar. Then click the Change button and select Google as your search engine. After that, click Set as Default. This makes sure Chrome uses Google Search properly, which is what enables the voice search feature on the search page. Now open a new tab, click inside the search bar, and you should see the microphone icon ready to use. Click the mic, speak your search, and Chrome will search using your voice. This is a quick and easy fix, but it can make a big difference if the icon has gone missing or voice search stopped working after a settings change. If you found this guide helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.